Hi, if you would like to measure your heart rate on your Huawei Band 9, then you can just press this side button, which is the power button as well, to go in the list of apps, and here scroll to see the heart rate. You can just tap it, or as another option, you can swipe left right from your watch face, and here swipe left again to check all of the tools and find the heart rate measurements. Then just tap it to select, and it is already measuring. Here you can check your result in the BPM. As you can see, I currently have 89 BPM. You can also just see here those diagrams, and if you swipe up, you'll be able to check your resting heart measurements as well. You can just tap on the info icon and here check some information about this parameter. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.